Now this is chapter 7 of Mayor of Casterbridge. Now this is the scene at Three Mariners Inn Hotel. Here Susan and Elizabeth Jane have reached along with Donald Farfrae and Michael Henchard. Now this inn has modest accommodation, but still Elizabeth Jane and Susan are feeling happy with accommodation. Now Elizabeth Jane got attracted towards the stranger who appeared from Scotland, Donald Farfrae. So she took the work of a serving maid in this hotel so that she could offer some services to Donald Farfrae. So young Scotsman Donald Farfrae was there, and she was bringing meal for him. And then while doing so, she took the chance to study that handsome young man. She also noticed that the young man is residing next door to their room. Now Susan and Elizabeth Jane, they both were staying in their room, and they listened carefully that Michael Henchard is also there in the room of Donald Farfrae, and they both were overhearing their discussion. Michael Henchard came there to meet Donald Farfrae out of friendly attraction, and we came to know that Donald Farfrae's information was very valuable, and Henchard himself accepted that this valuable information is very informative for him, and Donald Farfrae mentioned in that how to restore grown wheat to wholesome second quality. Now Henchard was sure that he is the same man who gave answer for his advertisement for a corn manager, but Farfrae denied for that. Now Farfrae gave him some useful tips how to restore his business, and Henchard was surprised by his ability and immediately offered him the position of a corn manager, which Farfrae refused because he had some plans to have the tour for New World. Now Henchard became disappointed deeply, and he offered a very handsome amount for him, but Farfrae rejected and refused, and Farfrae offered Henchard some drink. Henchard for that refused drinking and himself confessed that years back he was ruined by it. So we came to know that Henchard was feeling very lonely, and he offered a handsome amount and a fair share in his business to Donald Farfrae, and Donald Farfrae also refused and rejected his business proposal, and Elizabeth Jane and Susan, they also heard their conversation. Thank you.